how do we build that brand? End of day, you get a lead one day, and then there's this dash between when you got the lead and when they convert. This is a conversation I'm having with a lot of my clients. What is the offer that was made that generated the lead? Because a lot really boils down to that. If you think about traditional offers being made, it's, hey, search for homes. What's your home worth? It's always about the property. It's not about the process per se. And I was speaking the other day in a room, and I asked all the agents, I said, hey, what do you sell? And it was kind of a trick question, a loaded question. What do you sell? I wanted to see how they would respond to it. And some like, we sell houses. And I'm like, no, not quite the answer I was looking for. You do sell houses, but really you help people who own properties sell their houses. The thing they're buying from you is your service. The thing they're buying from you is agency. It's brokerage services. It's the personality and the mindset that delivers those services. A lot of agents get accused of being salesy in their marketing. And I think that's because they don't know what they're selling. If you really understand what you're selling, which is the value proposition of my skills, my expertise, if you gave all that away, you'd be selling 24/7, 365 days a year, and nobody would know it. And so today is really a conversation of how do you position yourself so that when leads come in, you are constantly adding value. Instead of the game of chase, where they came in looking for a property and then they got an agent instead, how do we start attracting people to say, boy, I've been looking for a house for a while and the time's not quite yet, but I am such a massive fan of everything you do. There's nobody else with whom I'd ever buy a property or sell a property. There's nobody else because you built that agent of choice brand.